Welcome back, champions. This is Rise and Conquer channel. We unlock the mindset, discipline, and faith you need to rise higher and live with purpose. Tired of living small, tired of fear, tired of excuses, you're in the right place. 'Cause every week, we bring you powerful truths, strategies, and stories that will push you to become the person God created you to be. Now, let's dive into today's lesson.
The power of multiple streams of income. Most people have one stream of income, their job. But here's the problem. When that one stream dries up, their entire life collapses. Warren Buffett said, "Never depend on a single income. Make investments to create a second source." Because in today's world, one income is too close to none. Why one stream isn't enough? Jobs are not permanent. Companies downsize. Economies crash. Expenses always rise: food, housing, bills. And opportunities? They reward those who diversify. Depending on one income is like standing on one leg. Eventually, you will fall. The river versus the bucket. A man had only a bucket. Each day, he filled it at the river. But one day, the river dried up, and he had nothing. Another man dug small canals, creating streams flowing from the river into his land. Even when one slowed, the others kept flowing. That's the difference between one income and multiple streams. The types of income streams. 1. Earned income, your job, your salary, your hustle. 2. Investment income, stocks, bonds, real estate. 3. Business income, profits from what you build. 4. Passive income, royalties, online content, systems that run without you. 5. Multiple skills monetized, turning knowledge into courses, coaching, or consulting. Keys to building multiple streams. 1. Start with one stream, then build. Don't try to build 5 at once. Master one, then expand. 2. Turn skills into streams. Your talent can become training. Your knowledge can become a product. 3. Reinvest, don't just spend. When extra money comes, use it to create another stream. 4. Automate and systemize. Technology allows you to earn while you sleep. Use it. 5. Focus on longevity. Build streams that will last, not just trends that fade. Thomas Jefferson, never spend your money before you have it. Jim Rohn, formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune. Steve Jobs, great things in business are never done by one person. They're done by a team of people. Practical challenge. This week, write down 3 potential income streams you could create based on your skills, network, or resources. Pick one to start building in the next 30 days. Listen carefully. Financial freedom is not about working harder. It's about working smarter, and letting your money and skills work for you. If you want security, if you want freedom, if you want legacy, stop depending on one stream. Create many. Because while others drown when their job ends, you'll keep rising, carried by the streams you built.
Remember this, motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going. Your greatness is not in the future, it's already inside you, waiting for you to act. If today's message spoke to you, don't just listen, take action. And if you found value, hit that like button, share this with someone who needs encouragement, and subscribe so you don't miss the next breakthrough. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and live every day with purpose. God bless you.